Hey guys, how many of you know which is the fastest aircraft ever since made? And the speed? Yeah, go for it.
Supersonic jet.
Speed?
Gulfstream.
No. Today we are here to see aircraft revolutionary change came in aircraft. Today we are going to see basic theory of aircraft, history of aircraft, and modern aircraft. Basically, aircraft is a machine which can able to fly by gaining support from air. It's difficult to understand. Let's look at it. This is an aerofoil. It's a cross section of a wing. Whenever it moves faster in the air, the pressure difference is created between the lower section and the upper section. A high pressure area below and a low pressure area. And according to law, we know that pressure tries to move from low to high. High to low. So it tries to move wing upward and make the aircraft to get lift. So according to that, we can say that wing is one of the most important part of our aircraft. Moving towards the history of aircraft, aircraft was conceptually designed by great scholar Leonardo da Vinci in year 1483. It was something look like this, but this concept didn't seem working because of this angle. It was designed like a bird, but it was not able to fly. But after there was no remarkable achievements, goal or anything achieved till early 70s, early 80s, when they first made the unmanned balloon, manned balloon which can fly but had no controls on it. So it goes with the direction of wind. So the main problem was we cannot change the direction. It can go anywhere and crash anywhere. It was made from, it was filled with hydrogen and helium gases. So during this experiment, it really exploded and it killed 20 of people inside. The first concept of aircraft was given by Wright brothers in 1903. The aircraft was named as a practically flying machine because it was first controllable and flying machine which had first flight. It's something look like this, and they got motivated from birds. They thought if birds can fly, why not us? We are human with the brains. This all data was from official webpage of Wright brothers, updated on September 2009. Talking about modern aircraft, recently in civil aviation, aircraft has become one of the most rising business because people used to travel from one country to another with the fastest mean of travel. Till today, it's aircraft. So many companies have started making economic jumbo jets, sophisticated and private jets aircraft. Along with using the aircraft in civil aviation, they have been used mostly in civil defense. The most aircraft which has made a remarkable change were from civil defense because they were not binded with the rules and people. So they made a remarkable change, they made a remarkable aircraft like drones. They are unmanned aircraft which can go very fast. And they made a supersonic aircraft, supersonic and hypersonic aircraft. The fastest aircraft was made by NASA in 2010 was X-46, which can go up to speed of 9.6 Mach. That is 9 times speed of a sound. And it was recorded in 2010. This data was from official webpage of NASA, and after a year or so, this speed was superseded by a Falcon aircraft, which went up to 20 times speed of sound, 20 Mach. That is about 13,000 miles per hour speed, and it crashed into the sea before it get landed. So it was not we can say that it's the fastest aircraft, but it was not successful aircraft. So till today, it's 9.6 meg, which is made by NASA X-46, and the Falcon data was from space.com and it's Falcon official website. For you guys, Falcon is one of the aircraft which is used by U.S. Air Force, and they are still using it. And conclusion, I would like to conclude that civil aviation had made remarkable changes, but still we need to work a lot because fuel is a limited resources which is going to be extinct soon. And so they are making some solar aircrafts. Hope it work out. And today we went from introduction of aircraft, history of aircraft, from where it came, and modern aircraft. Hope I can say that you can. From this, I can say that I shared little knowledge of aircraft with you all guys.